Alright, hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. Today, I'm going to be working on a Colorado quarter. This bad boy right here. I'm going to make it into a size 10 ring. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in it. Perfect. Next step is to clean up the inside edge right here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you'd like to get yourself a quarter coin ring, I've got them in copper and 90% silver, and all 50 states are available. Just pick your state and ring size, and I'll get right to work on it for you. There's our quarter so far. I'm going to hop over here and fold it. Very nice, very nice. Now we're going to stretch it on the ring stretcher. Should be about a size 10 and a half, 11. Oh, it's 10 and a quarter. A little bit more. We'll go back over here, and we're gonna make it a little smaller. Shape it up a bit. Again, if you'd like to get one of these, tap a little shopping cart down here. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. All right. Very nice. Next step is to remove the inside lip right here. Thanks for tapping the screen, guys. Hey.
Are you live?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have any patches?
One.
And did you get the bank thing situated today?
Yeah, I got something in there.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get gas. Not try to do nothing crazy. And I think we'll need these. So. You don't need gas, but I'm out till 4. So we'll go for 4. And then you and Dean go so I can take care of the little babes. Okay?
Okay. Really like the Don't Tread on Me ring. It's nice. It is my current favorite ring to make. It's a good one. There we go. There is our Colorado quarter coin ring. If you'd like to get one, tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions about them, put them in the chat. Let me know. I'm trying to decide if that is empty. Is it empty now? Pretty close. Not my budget right now, but I'll keep you in my follows because I plan to. Hell yeah, man. I'll be here whenever you're ready. No rush. Yeah, I make coin rings every day, year round. So, whenever you're ready, I'll be here. I'm doing right now is just polishing it up. I'm a little shy about the state of this rags, but I don't care. We'll lean into it. This is what I'm doing. Typically when I'm polishing a ring, I have 2 rags. So we got the first rag we use, which gets dirty pretty quickly, and then we have the second rag. That's this bad boy. It's not so bad looking. We'll clean it up using this one. Get her nice and shiny. So I've got these state quarter coin rings in all 50 states, and I've got them in copper and 90% silver. So if you're going to really fancy one, you can go silver. If you'd like to check those out, tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, guys. We got it pretty nice and clean. I'll double check the size real quick. Should be a size 10. A little bit off. Perfect. I just hit it with a polishing cloth to make it even shinier. Then I get to pack it up and send it to the customer. They ordered this one today, so I work pretty quick. If you guys are wondering how long it's going to take to get one, I work pretty quick. That looks really good. All right. Let's make a box for it. I get this cool customized stamp of my logo and my website on it. These ring boxes. Originally, I got this stamp to work on coins. Never quite did what I wanted it to on metal, but it looks really good on the ring boxes. Just pop her in there. I'm gonna go ship this off. If you guys want to see more coin ring making content, hit the follow button, and have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Peace. Thanks for your 1,000 likes. I appreciate it, man.